Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to game share with all the necessary information you guys need to do it. Now it's going to be really easy and simple, and if you guys do have any questions, please leave them down for me in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to try to answer them in the comment section. So step number one, make sure you guys have two accounts, one your own and one who you're game sharing with. Now make sure this person is not random online who wants to share games and stuff like that, because your credit card information is on there as well as your password. And if your account does get lost, hacked, or stolen, Sony is not really responsible for that, and they may actually ban your account. So in order to add your friend's account, what you guys want to do is click new user, just in case you haven't added it yet. Click create a user, click accept, click next, and then what you guys want to do is sign in to your friends. Okay, next step, what you guys want to do is go all the way back, since I don't want to do that. What you guys want to do is be sure to deactivate as a primary account on both PS4s. So my PS4, I'm going to deactivate my primary account, and on his account he's also going to do it. So you guys need two PlayStations, one on his and one on yours. So both you guys will be doing this at the same time. What you guys want to do is head into your account, go all the way to settings. Once you're in settings, go to account management, go to activate as your primary PS4. Now make sure he's doing this as well, or else this will not work. So make sure to deactivate it on your end. It's gonna say deactivate. Click deactivate. Are you sure you'd like to deactivate? Click yes. And then go on make sure he's doing this on his PS4 on his own account. So make sure he signs. He clicks deactivate on his account. So no one has a activated PS4 account on your PS4. Next, what you guys want to do is hold the home button, switch user, go back into your friend's account who you're trying to get the games from, friend or family member. Now that you're signed in, what you guys want to do is go straight to settings, account management, activate as your primary, and now what you're going to do is click activate. Now what you guys want to do is click activate. Once you do that, it's going to ask you, are you sure you like to activate? Click yes. You guys can do this as much as you want, as long as you guys are friends and all that cool stuff. You guys shouldn't have an issue. Next, what you guys want to do is go straight down to restore licenses. Click restore. It's basically to unlock all the licenses for the games, for all the purchases, DLCs, everything he has, including PSN Live, or it's on PS4 it's called PSN Live, or PSN, I'm pretty sure. And basically click restore, click yes, and all that cool stuff. It's gonna load, take like a minute. Now that that's done, what you guys want to do is go on his account, go straight to his library. So scroll down, go to library, go to purchase down below. There it says purchase. Now he has all these sorts of games, and to prove to you guys that this is real, let me download Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. Tap it. Now make sure you're still signed into his account, his or hers account. Click download. And of course he's going to be doing the same on your account, so that way no one's intruding on each other's accounts. But again, make sure he doesn't activate his primary account yet. Just make sure you finish all your downloads and then activate it back again as your primary account. Let me click select all, download. Alright, now that these are downloading, all your DLCs, games, and all that cool stuff, what you guys want to do is activate your own as a primary account. Now make sure this is all done before you do that. And of course, do not erase your friend's account, or else all the stuff will be gone. You can't have his account needs to be on your PS4, so you can't just click erase and everything's fine. You need to have his account on your PS4. Then once you go back into your account, once you're done, say, installing everything, go back to settings, account management, activate as your primary, click activate all over again, and you should be good to go. He should do the same exact steps you're doing, just the opposite on your account, and you'll be doing it on his account. That's basically it for the tutorial, guys. You should be able to play all these sweet games, no issues, none of that stuff. Have a great day, guys. See you guys in the next one.